Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to filter recommended content on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So open your Instagram and open your profile and tap on this three-line icon to the right hand corner. Tap on settings and tap on account. Tap on sensitive content control. Tap on continue. And now here you will get three options: more, standard and less. Now you can select how much sensitive content to see. So I'm going to select here less and tap on confirm. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.